Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through the basic tools of Dzine AI. Let's start by creating a new project. Once it's open, the first thing you'll do is choose your canvas ratio and give your project a name. We'll stick with the default 1:1 ratio for now. At the top, you'll find the toolbar, and over on the left are all the main AI features for Canvas. Now, let's get into some cool features. First up, let's try the text-to-image. Here, Dzine AI comes with a huge style library. Choose the style that fits your project. For example, select the Flex model. In the text box below, enter what you want to create. I've already prepared one, so I'll paste it here. We've generated new images of a coffee cup with flowers. Double-click on the result panel on the right to place it on your canvas. You can try out different styles and adjust the intensity to see how the image changes. You can click the Generate button repeatedly, making it super convenient for batch generation. When you boost the style intensity, you'll notice it transforms into a vibrant, colorful line art style. Now, let's move on to image-to-image generation. You can start by uploading an image. Either click the Import Image button or drag your image in the canvas. For this case, I'm using an interior design sketch. Open the Style panel and select an interior style that matches our theme. To maintain the original structure of the image, increase the structure match. Click Generate, and Dzine AI will generate 4 rendering versions of your interior design. You can hover over the result image and hold down Compare to view it against the original. After double-clicking to place it on the canvas, you can manage the layers in the Layer panel. In another case of image-to-image here, you don't need to describe the image by yourself. Just click Auto Prompt, and Dzine AI will generate suitable prompts for you. For portraits, make sure to turn on Face Match to keep the facial features consistent. If you want the colors to match the original photo, enable Color Match. Dzine AI also has a vectorization tool with various customization options. Set your preferences, and then turn the image into a vector file. You can check it here and download it. If you want to use AI to edit a specific part of the image, start by selecting the area you want to modify. Enter your prompt on the left and pick a style. Once generated, the selected area will transform according to your prompt. Need to insert an object? Upload a reference image. Mark the area where you want it to appear on the canvas. Sketch out its rough shape. And click Generate. The object will blend seamlessly into your canvas. Dzine AI also supports face swapping. Upload the face you want to put in. Click Generate, and there you go. You've got a new face. For individual layers, you can use tools on this bar. For example, use AI to erase specific parts. Select the area you want to remove. Click Remove, and AI will erase the content and automatically fill the area. If you need to expand the borders of an image, use the Expand feature. Drag out the edges, enter what you want the AI to add, or just let it go. And Dzine AI will intelligently extend your image with generated content. The Enhance tool is great for boosting image clarity and adding more detail. Adjust the enhancement strength to control how much detail is added. There's also a special portrait mode within Enhance, ideal for subtly refining existing details without overdoing it. If you're working on product photography, Dzine AI has a dedicated feature for generating backgrounds. Upload your product image, and Dzine AI will automatically remove the background. Then, you can choose from a variety of pre-made templates. Or use a prompt to create a custom background. You can also adjust the lighting and atmosphere of the result to make the product blend naturally into the scene. When you want to download an image, you can click the Download button directly in the Result panel, or select the image on the canvas and click Save as Image. To export the entire canvas, click the Export button in the top right corner. You can choose the image format and even use the AI Upscale feature to increase the resolution and clarity by up to 4 times. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of Dzine AI. Now give it a try yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.